What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. Man, finally a day without rain. It's been raining like crazy for the last few weeks, so nice to have some dry roads. I'm gonna head to the gas station and pick up some gas and then hit the gym. And that's it, man. Pretty chill day for me for a Monday, at least. Work was not bad. So turn the heat on a little bit. But yeah, man, big week for me this week. I'm turning 30 on Thursday, so yeah, having a birthday party this weekend, and having a birthday party this weekend. Gonna hang out with some friends and family, make the most of it. So crazy, man. Time flies as you get older. Time really flies. You gotta do things while you're young, man. You gotta get out, live life while you're young. Coming from a guy who tries to save most of his paycheck and really only spend it on fun things like this car and date nights with my girlfriend. But you gotta get out there, man, and enjoy it while you can. Before I know it, I'll be 40 and then 50 and then 60 and approaching retirement, God willing. So yeah, taking Friday off from work and gonna have a head start to the weekend, so it'll be good, man. Hit the gym, get the week started off right, and mostly want to just go hit the sauna, honestly. I feel like I'm like a little bit under the weather. Like I'm not sick, but whenever I start feeling like my body's kind of almost getting there, I like to go hit the sauna. I usually feel better that way. I feel like I don't get as sick. If I do get sick, I don't get as sick. Sometimes I don't even get sick. It's just like a little day or two thing where I feel kind of under the weather. But yeah, man, if you don't know, now you know, man. Saunas are the move. One day when I get a house for myself, I'd like to have a sauna in my backyard. I have a buddy that has one. Pretty cool. Good day on the stock market today too. Government shutdown ended. Stocks rebounded. Tech sector was up high. So for me as a stock investor, good day. It's just one of those things that you just never know when good news is going to drop. You never know when bad news is going to drop. I, for one, wasn't expecting the government to reopen today. And here we are with it reopened. It's also like, how does that even change our lives, right? Like, it doesn't even make a difference for me. But I'm not going to get into politics. This is not a politics channel, so. But nonetheless, good day on the market. Pull up and get some gas. All right, 62.50. That's the damage. Alright. This is like one of the harder gas stations to pull out of, in my opinion. Really easy. Gotta turn around. Defender. I like that paint. I've noticed like the night drive videos don't do as well on my profile. So if you guys got any advice for me, what would make them better, let me know. Always open to improvement. I think I just got to go on longer drives. You know, I just haven't had time lately, so. Yeah, we are going to park up front today since the spot is open. So as always, man, I appreciate you for riding with me. And I'm gonna go hit the sauna, sweat out toxins that don't need to be in my body. So if you like the content, man, drop a like, drop a sub, join the fam, and I'll see you in the next video for another ride, man. Peace.